Okay, so this is this pop-up thing here. So I have my kitchen here. We're still remodeling it, but we didn't want to have switches here because we're gonna have a huge window over here and didn't want to have switches blocking the view. So found this online. It's really nice because you just push it here. That pops up. And I went with the manual so we don't have to worry about motors breaking. You pull that up, pops in place. Simply just plug it in. You're good to go. When I'm done with it, just push that down. Push down from the top, and I'm done. Now what I did here is it goes underneath the counter like that, and then I actually have the plug-in going through here and a cord underneath the cabinet. So pretty easy to install. Simply just drill the hole, tighten it in place. Again, good to go. Push the button, pop it up, done. Really easy, looks great. It's made out of aluminum or stainless steel or something, I don't know, but looks fantastic. And you don't need nuts there when you're not using it.